of employment within 30 days of release from Haven for CR 10964 and 2024 CR 2671, State of Texas versus Alexandria Alvarez. Parties announced for the record for the state.
Hank Lucas for the state, Your Honor.
Defense.
John Robertson, I'm on the possession case, Your Honor.
Thomas Beck, I'm on the theft of the firearm case.
All right, and are you Miss Alvarez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and the cause number ending in 7-1, you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 6-4, on that case, you're charged with theft of a firearm. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. And each cause number, I'm showing you the plea bargain agreement. Did you review that with your attorneys? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, the cases are to run concurrently. There's a $500 fine. State is recommending deferred adjudication. They are taking in consideration County Court 2 cause number 715921 and 2023 CR 10963. And in the cause number ending in 7-1, there's to be restitution to Live Oak PD for drug testing. And in cause number ending in 6-4, there's to be restitution to Julian Scales, SCALES, if any. Did you understand those to be the pleas in each of the cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. In each cause number, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in each cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, on behalf of Ms. Alvarez, I support to follow the agreement. I think it's important for the court to know that in September of 22, Alexandria was involved in pretty much what was a near fatal car accident. Rolled her car down an embankment. She was ejected from the vehicle, suffered an extremely serious head injury. She had to have surgery. Was in the hospital for several months and in rehab after that. I think she's definitely a competent person. She's had some memory issues and some collateral health issues since then. I think that may have contributed to some of her choices that's been made since then, but we'd ask the court to take that into consideration. I consulted with probation this morning. They may have a unit over there that could help her with some of those issues maybe. We'd ask the court to follow the agreement. She wants to get her life heading in a good direction.
All right.
Judge, we asked you to follow the agreement. Maybe you can probate part of that fine. She is indigent and 120 hours is a lot of community service, but she's going to be on probation perhaps in 2 cases.
Okay. All right. And Ms. Abrams, this is probation case. All right. Do you have any children?
I have one child,
And what is your child's age?
Braxton,
Age?
6.
And where is your child now?
He's sometimes with my mom or the other grandmother or his dad.
All right. Was Child Protective Services involved?
No.
All right. When did you start with the use of the meth?
I would say I started when I was 18. I tried it. That was the first time I tried it.
Okay. And how often have you been using it?
For like the last 5 or 6 years, I was doing it daily.
All right. So when's the last time you used? And let me just tell you this. These questions I'm asking you, I used to tell my clients all the time when I had them in Child Protective Services cases or on the criminal side, and they had agreed to probation. I always tell them, hey, just lay the truth out there, because what I'm trying to do is get you the type of help you need so you can be successful. But if you don't tell me, I can't help you, right?
Yes.
And so even if you're going to be positive for meth today, you will not have violated your probation because you're not on probation. So I need you to be 100% honest with me so I can try to get you the help that you need, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, so when's the last time you used?
The last time I've used was September 5th of 2023.
All right, so if you're drug tested today, is it going to be clean?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're going to do a drug test and then we're going to come back and finish with sentencing, okay? Probation, could you do a drug test, please? All right, so just have a seat and then we'll take it up.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Abrams, the results of the test?
Negative, sir.
Awesome. All right, come back forward, please. I'm so excited that it was negative.
And I've got a little more detail for the court also here.
Sure. All right, we're back on the record in 2023 CR 10964 and 2024 CR 2671. State of Texas versus Alexandria Alvarez. The court has been informed that the test was negative. I'm very happy for you and proud that you're sober.
Thank you.
All right, yes.
Judge, I just wanted to follow up with that a little bit for the court's information. Noticed a tattoo on Alexandria's arm. She has a 1 day at a time tattoo. And when she snapped that date off on September 5th, that's my offense date. And I said, that's a sober date when she had it like that. So
Awesome.
he was in jail until January, finally got out on bond, went straight to Haven. She's been in their inpatient program since January 17th and has got 17 more days before she graduates that program. So she's working things without being told to work things.
Awesome. That's fantastic. I'm proud of you. And yeah, 1 day at a time, 1 minute at a time.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So this is what the court is going to do in each cause number. In each cause number, the court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine. That fine will be probated in each cause. The court will sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication in each cause number. The state was asking for 5. Let me just tell you why I'm giving you 4. Because you've been doing work. And sometimes, even though these are crimes, sometimes you want to say, yeah, I did something good and somebody acknowledged it. So that's why I'm giving you 4 years deferred instead of 5, okay?
Thank you.
It's going to be 120 hours of community service restitution. Each case will run concurrent. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once you complete the parenting classes, the community service hours in each cause number will be deemed satisfied. You're to continue with inpatient treatment at Haven for Hope. So are they having you look for employment yet or no?
No, ma'am.
All right, so proof of employment within 30 days of release from Haven for Hope, inpatient treatment.
Yes.
There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. And in the cause number ending in 64, you are to forfeit the weapon. Restitution, if any, to Julian Scales. With regards to restitution in each cause number, if you all think that the restitution is not appropriate, you can come back and we'll have a hearing on that. Field visits upon release from Haven for Hope. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. To be successful in this court, communication is key. If you have an issue or you feel like, hey, I'm about to throw up my hands, call your probation officer. If you feel as though they're not addressing your issue, you can always come back to court, okay?
Okay.
Could we put one more thing on the record, Judge?
Sure.
I want to ask that if you could order that the weapon be returned to the complaining witness, Julian Scales.
In that cause number, the weapon is to be returned to its rightful owner.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
So, all right, is there anything else?
No, yeah.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great one.
You too.
Hi. All right, so we're supposed to be here today for contested.
Yes. But
All Right, so I have a motion to withdraw. Why? Why is there a request that the motion be withdrawn?
For violation allegations, and Ms. Alvarez will agree to the amended conditions.
Just completed the parenting class. That was a subject of one of the violations.
All right, so what is going to happen with this case? I don't like for cases to end up somewhere else. So the new number one allegation that was in the motion to revoke, what's happening with that case?
Happening with your pending cases in Guadalupe County. When's your next court date on those?
This court date is March 6th.
So you all are leaving that case out there to be handled by someone else?
I am not retained on that case. She does have a court-appointed attorney on the Guadalupe County charges.
Right, and what conditions are being, what is she being alternate amended to?
So my understanding is that she is to take a theft level 2 course along with the moral recognition therapy.
All right. All right, thank you. Yes?
Those are just the recommendations from the probation officer, Judge.
All right, so why are we recommending that?
So give me just a moment.
Is it based upon the new number one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, then the court will sign the motion to withdraw. Is there anything else?
Nothing further.
All right, do you have any questions about anything? You seem a little bit confused.
No, I'm sorry. No,
No problem.
I mean, I'm very thankful that's happening.
So, Judge, do you want the amended conditions?
Well, the alternate amendment, the moral recognition therapy, she can do one or the other. Either you can do the theft course or you can do the MRT.
So that option remains open to her. It's not set. in
Oh,
stone.
right now. It's going to be set right now. in
Oh,
stone.
okay. So which one would you rather take?
The MRT is to help you with your thought process. Basically, something that we all should have learned to choose right as opposed to wrong.
Let's do that now.
All right, so Ms. Abrams, just alter amend conditions to include MRT for the burglary. That's, I guess, in misdemeanor court. They'll probably address the theft course with that. All right, thank you.
All
You
right.
just need to remain here for conditions.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Court is calling 2023 CR 10964 and 2024 CR 2671. State versus Alexandria Anne Marie Alvarez. Could I have parties announced?
Melissa Alvin for the state.
Christine Brown on behalf of Alexandria Anne Marie Alvarez.
And are you Alexandria Anne Marie Alvarez?
Yes, ma'am.
State with regards to the motion to revoke?
Yes, Your Honor. Given that all of the allegations in the MTR involve new number ones that occurred in Guadalupe County, we don't have any option but to withdraw the MTR at this time. We've made multiple attempts to reach out to Guadalupe County to try to locate witnesses, to try to put on a case where we could try to prove up some of these MTRs, and we've been unsuccessful up until as recently as lunchtime today.
All right. And how many motions to revoke has this been?
This would be the second one.
All right. And the previous one, what was the previous one? Does anyone know?
The nature of that,
Yes.
it was the same kind of situation, out of county charges, not being able to be proved.
All right. So Miss Alexandra Alvarez,
Yes, ma'am.
it appears that you and Guadalupe County should part ways.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to alter and amend conditions. And that is going to be a partial GPS for employment and also to handle any legal matters that you may have in Guadalupe County. So if you have a court appearance in Guadalupe, you can go back to Guadalupe County. But other than that, you're going to be in Bexar County. This is where your probation is. And you're not doing well on probation in Guadalupe County. The court is going to alter and amend conditions to include partial GPS, waive fees, and the GPS is until further notice. Your probation is coming back to Bexar County. And the partial GPS is for employment and to address any legal matters you have in Guadalupe County.
So just to be clear, she is allowed to reside in Guadalupe County?
No.
Or no?
No, you are not going to be residing in Guadalupe County anymore because you're not doing well on probation there. And obviously you're not doing well with your father. So the court is going to sign the motion to withdraw, but the conditions will be altered and amended to include partial GPS, waive GPS fees. The partial is for employment and to address any legal matters you may have in Guadalupe County.